And really around the clock, we are just so respectful of our firefighters and everything that they do, the bravery that they show, and also for keeping us safe as well.
Yes, no, very thankful, especially days like today too, because people can hydroplane whenever you get on the roads, whenever it first starts raining. So something you need to keep in mind, especially as we move into the afternoon. We do have a first alert weather day in store for you, and we haven't seen rain in 24 days. And October is supposed to be one of our wettest months of the year, and we just have been extremely dry and warmer than average. So the good news is the frontal system will swing through, bring us the chance for some rainfall and cool us off. But the bad news is we're looking at the chance for a couple stronger thunderstorms across the Metroplex 11 a.m. to around the 4 p.m. hour. Make sure you have a safe place to go to if you're headed out and about today, because large hail, damaging winds, maybe even an isolated tornado or two is going to be the primary threat as we continue through the day today. Anywhere shaded in green is where we have that highlighted risk for a level 1 out of 5 threat. That's going to encompass a good chunk of our western counties in here across the Metroplex. Off towards the east a little bit further as we continue into the afternoon hours today, that's a level 2 out of 5 threat for a scattered threat of severe weather. So again, we're going to continue to monitor that as we move throughout the day today. But right now, I'm tracking a couple of stronger thunderstorms, especially for Cook County. It's moving towards Gainesville at the current moment. But to the south of it, we're talking about into Jack and Wise County, starting to spark up a couple of thunderstorms into Palo Pinto County. Also picking up on some moderate to heavy rainfall and a few lightning strikes. Northern Parker County, an isolated cell flaring up and moving up to the north towards places like Boyd. Once again, Jack, Wise County moving into Denton County, starting to pick up on a couple of rumbles of thunder, but the strongest stuff will be into the afternoon when we tap into the daytime heating and all the fuel and the moisture we need to, well, get some stronger rumbles of thunder. Biggest risk will be hail threat as well, as gusty winds once again around your 11 a.m. hour to about 1 p.m. today ahead of this frontal system as it moves across the area. By the latter part of the afternoon, it's our eastern counties that are anticipating the strongest weather in your vicinity, but look at this, we clear things up as we move into your Sunday. It's going to be a beautiful Sunday, by the way. 12 to 4 here across the Metroplex, anticipated the strongest activity to take place. Right now, good morning to you, Dallas. 77 degrees where we're sitting at. Dew point temperature is a little bit muggy outside. It's around 70 degrees. We do have that chance for some rumbles of thunder. Keep that in mind if you're headed to the fairgrounds today. And then 77 degrees by around 6 p.m. Tonight will be perfect weather to go to the fair or to get out and about. Tomorrow morning will be nice, cool, and crisp for you. We're talking about a temperature in the middle 50s here across the Metroplex. It's been a long time since we've seen the 50s in the morning, so make sure you're getting up nice and early tomorrow and enjoying it. But it'll be a very pleasant last day of the fair tomorrow. Temperatures around 74 degrees for your high around 4 p.m. and lots of sunshine. Now I am tracking more frontal systems ahead, one into Tuesday and then another one Thursday into Friday. That'll keep those temperatures nice and, well, a couple of degrees above average, but they'll be more seasonable than what we've seen the past several weeks. Once again, first alert weather days in store for you today. Make sure you're staying weather aware into the afternoon, but the nice cool down as we move into Sunday.